Now let's talk about security in Zeropark for publishers. So Zeropark has two security features available to help protect your account from getting hacked. The first is going to be new login sessions to help you monitor from which device there are sign-ins to your Zeropark account. And the second is going to be two-factor authentication to protect your account from getting hacked. In this guide, we're going to review new sign-in sessions and also two-factor authentication. In this guide, we're going to review
so first we need to talk about new sign-in sessions. By default, you're going to be notified by email anytime a new device logs into your Zeropark account. So once notified, you can act on any suspicious sign-ins by suspending your account and resetting the password. Now, there is going to be a sequence of events that will occur once you suspend your account. First, you're going to receive an email with a new password. Second, Zeropark is going to terminate all active sessions to make sure that no one who is not authorized to be in your account is still logged in. Third, your campaigns will all be paused. Fourth, they're going to suspend any financial transactions. And then fifth, a member from the customer success team is going to have to reactivate your account once everything is back in order.
Two-factor authentication is a method of signing into Zeropark platform that requires more than just a password. Using only a password to sign into a website makes you vulnerable to security threats because the malicious user only needs one piece of information to gain access to your account. So, the two-factor authentication places an extra layer of security on your account by requiring both your password and a second authentication code while signing in. So the only way a user can sign into your account is if they have your password and the authentication code from your registered mobile devices. So for Zeropark, the additional authentication code will be generated by a time-based one-time password in the mobile application. So before you start turning on the two-factor authentication for your Zeropark dashboard, it is required that you download and install a time-based one-time password application. The TOTP application automatically generates authentication codes that expire and refresh after certain periods of time. These applications are more reliable than using authentications through text message, so the two-factor authentication on the Zeropark platform will utilize the TOTP authentication only. Now, if you are using an Android, iOS, or BlackBerry, you just go into the Google Play Store and you will download Google Authenticator. You can also use Dual Mobile for Android and iOS, or you can do Authenticator, which is good for Windows phones. Once you have successfully installed your time-based one-time password application on your mobile device, it's going to be time to set up your two-factor authentication platform. So what you'll do first is you're going to go to the My Account tab from the Zeropark platform, and then you're going to go to Security on the left side menu. Then in the security area, you're going to scroll down to where it says two-factor authentication, and you're going to check Turn On button to apply two-factor authentication for your account. Now the two-factor authentication setup page is going to follow after you say Turn On. So after reading information about the authentication process, you're going to click Start Setup. Then from there, you're going to have to scan the barcode image in the pop-up page using the TOTP application. So if you cannot scan the QR code from your computer screen, you can always use a text code option. You'll just simply have to click text code in step 1. So in the two-factor authentication pop-up window, you're going to hit next, and then you're going to type the text code in the mobile application field if you decide to go with text. So you're going to input the 6-figure code from the application into the field from step 2, and this is going to complete the verification, and then you're going to have to continue. Now after that, you're going to see that the two-factor authentication has been turned on.